morning children. Today we are going to see 6th English Term 2 Unit 1 Prose 1 Sports Stars. Children, this lesson is about sports stars of our country. Now let's see the 3 famous sports stars. They are Mithali Dorairaj, Usha Rani and P.V. Sindhu. They have been widely recognized and acknowledged. Recognized means known. Acknowledged means accepted. They have received awards and medals for their excellence in sports. Okay children, first let's see the section 1. In this section, we are going to see about Mithali Dorairaj. This is Mithali Dorairaj. One day, the teacher reads a diary account of a schoolboy. This schoolboy loves cricket. But the boy had never let his sister to play cricket. One day, his teacher tells him about Mithali Dorairaj. She is the captain of the Indian women's cricket team. The boy was surprised to hear from his teacher that Mithali started to play cricket from the age of 10. Mithali lives in Hyderabad. Her mother tongue is Tamil. She was the highest run scorer and the only woman cricketer to surpass the 6,000 run mark in one-day internationals. She was also the first player to score 7 consecutive 50s. Consecutive means one after another. She is nicknamed as Tendulkar of Indian women's cricket. She is nicknamed as Tendulkar of Indian women's cricket. Mithali said that being compared to Sachin is an absolute privilege. Privilege means honor. Privilege means honor. I do not think I have achieved even half of what he did for the country. On the other, being a woman cricketer, I want people to know me for my own identity. I would rather not be compared to a male cricketer. Children, Mithali actually started playing cricket with her brother. When Mithali was young, she used to go with her father to the ground where her brother practiced. She used to stand outside the ground and returned the ball when it came her way. Though it was a humble start at the age of 10, Mithali gradually managed to secure a place for herself in the field of cricket. Many of us think cricket is for men. However, she broke the traditional barriers and proved that women are equal to men in every field. The Government of India recognized her contribution to cricket and awarded her the Padma Shri. Recently, in the second Women's T20 International, Mithali led her side to a comfortable 9-wicket victory with an unbeaten 76 runs. So children, finally the boy was so inspired by Mithali. And then he changes his attitude and allowed his little sister to play cricket. Children, Now let's see the glossary. Recognized, known, acknowledged, accepted, privilege, honor, inspiration. Here, a person one looks up to. Passion, desire. Now, let's see the opposites. New, old. Beginning, ending. Learning, teaching. Best, worst. Now, let's see the true or false. Mithali Raj is happy to be recognized as Tendulkar of Indian women's cricket. The answer is true. Mithali Raj was not encouraged to play cricket by her family members. The answer is false. Women should not be compared with men in cricket, says Mithali. The answer is true. Mithali's mother tongue is Telugu. The answer is false. Children, now let's see the important questions and answers. First one, which game does the schoolboy love? The schoolboy loves cricket. The schoolboy loves cricket. Second one, what do you know about Mithali Dorairaj? Mithali Dorairaj is an Indian cricketer. She is the captain of the Indian women's cricket team. Mithali Dorairaj is an Indian cricketer. She is the captain of the Indian women's cricket team. Third one, when did Mithali start to play cricket? And when was she selected for the Indian team? Mithali started to play cricket at the age of 10. She was selected for the Indian team at the age of 17. Mithali started to play cricket at the age of 10. She was selected for the Indian team at the age of 17. Children, now let's see the section 2. In this section, we are going to see about Usha Rani. This is Usha Rani. Usha Rani is a cop cum kabaddi champion. Cop means police officer. She was from poor town of Subhendrapalaya in Yeshwanthpur near Bangalore in Karnataka. To fulfill her mother's dream, Usha Rani practiced kabaddi from her young age. As a school child, she grew up watching kabaddi at a club in front of her house and soon joined the club and started playing kabaddi. Because of her hard work, soon she started playing kabaddi at national level in sub-junior category. Children, whenever she was not playing kabaddi, Usha Rani used to sell floss for her daily living and to support her family. She had to struggle hard all through her life until she became the youngest cop in the Karnataka State Police Force. At the age of 29, she won a gold medal in kabaddi. Usha Rani has also become a role model to her brothers, sisters, and other fellow sports persons. Children, now let's see the glossary. Shatney Town, a poor area. Unfulfilled, unrealized. Prominent, noticeable. Determine, willpower. Excellence, extremely good. Category, division. Support, help. Children, now let's see the opposites. Fulfilled, unfulfilled. Town, village. Started, ended. Sell, buy. 1. Lost. Now let's see the important questions and answers. First one, from which town did Usha Rani come? Usha Rani came from the town of Subendarpalayam in Yeshwanthpur. Usha Rani came from the town of Subendarpalayam in Yeshwanthpur. Second one, when did Usha Rani start playing Kabaddi? As a school child, Usha Rani started to play Kabaddi. As a school child, Usha Rani started to play Kabaddi. Third one, what did she sell to support her family? She sold flowers to support her family. She sold flowers to support her family. Children, it's time for question. Once again, you can go through the story and answer for this evaluation. Match the sport and the equipment. Children, answer these questions. First one, what did the teacher read? Second one, who is Mithali Dorai Raj? Third one, when did Usha Rani won a gold medal? Fourth one, why did the schoolboy not allow his sister to play cricket?